Hi friends! If you want to develop Java applications on your Windows 8.1 PC, you need to download and install Java Development Kit, or JDK, on your system. Here's how you can install Java JDK on your Windows 8.1 PC. First of all, you need to check whether Java is installed on your system or not. To do so, on the Start screen, start typing Command Prompt, and then click on Command Prompt from the displayed search results to open the Command Prompt window. On the Command Prompt window that opens, type Java C and press the Enter key. If you see the message that says Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, then Java is probably not present on your computer. You can also type Java in the Command Prompt window and press Enter. If it doesn't run, then it means that Java is not present in your Windows operating system. Now, to download Java on your computer, close the Command Prompt window and open a web browser. In the address bar, type www.oracle.com/technetwork/java/java.se/downloads/ and then press the Enter key. Click on the Java icon here to download. Scroll down, and here you'll find the list of available Java versions. Click on the appropriate link according to your system and operating system. Click on the OK button to accept the license agreement. Choose the location where you want to save the downloaded file and wait for the download process to complete. Now close the browser window and double-click on the setup file to run it. Follow the instructions appearing on your screen to complete the installation process. To check whether it's really installed on your computer, right-click on this PC and select Open to go to File Explorer. Navigate to the local disk, then Program Files folder. Here you'll see the Java folder. Click on it to open it. There are two folders in it, JDK and JRE. Open the JDK folder and then open the bin folder. Here you'll see the Java files. Now go back to the Java folder and right-click on the JDK folder to rename it and make the name short. To use these binaries, you need to set an environment variable in your Windows operating system. To do so, just go to the Start screen. Start typing System, and then click on System from the search results. On the System window that opens, click on Advanced System Settings option from the left pane. Click on Environment Variables button. In the System Variables section, search for Path from the list and then double-click on it. Here you need to give the path of binaries files for Java. Just go to the very last of this line and type semicolon here. Now go to the Explorer window you have opened and then just copy the binary folder path from the location bar. Now go back to System again and paste the same path here. Click on OK and then click on OK again. Now click on OK one more time to close the System Properties window. Right-click on the Start button at the bottom left of the screen and then click on Command Prompt. On the Command Prompt window, type Java C and press Enter. Now you'll see the different commands, and this indicates that Java JDK has been installed on your system. See? That wasn't hard at all. Thanks for watching.